How to save as a PDF on Camscanner. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Camscanner application on your device and let's tap on the search or rather camera icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on the camera icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. So here you can just scan any document or you can just click any picture of any document. I'm going to just click a random picture over here. And as we click a picture, it will just take us to a new page. So let's wait until it takes us to this new page. So let's just click a random picture. And as we're done with it, what you can do is you can just tap on the three dotted lines, or you can just now tap on the check mark at the bottom right corner of the screen. And here you can just tap on share. So you can now tap on share, and here you can tap on share as PDF. So you can just tap on share as PDF to any of your documents or any of the media platforms. So you can select whichever way is more convenient for you. I'm going to select one of these and then just tap on send. And there you go. Now you can just tap on it and you can just save it for yourself as well. And that's how you can save as a PDF on Camscanner. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.